welcome back to Pabbly, and come I'll show you how this AI chatbot is going to work first. Alright, so let's say I'm going to type hey and I'm going to send hey on this WhatsApp chat. And once I'm going to send hey, this AI chatbot is replying me, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I'm planning my wedding next month and I want to ask about the photography packages. So I'm going to type my question and I'm going to send this question. And once I send this, yes, you're going to see it is saying yes, we do offer, and over here you're going to see all the package details. Let's say I'm going to ask about the payment method. So I'm going to type payment methods question mark and I'm going to ask what all payment methods do they have in which I can complete the payment. And you're going to see within seconds and in real time it is solving this too. It is giving me all the payment methods. So yes, you must be wondering how this AI assistant knows so much about my business. So I have uploaded a knowledge base. So as you can see that this is the knowledge base, and using this knowledge base only this AI assistant is replying me. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a question like this. So I'm going to copy this FAQ and I'm going to type, can we get both photo and video coverage? And once I'm going to send this, you're going to see automatic answer will be generated and sent. You're going to see the AI assistant is saying yes, you can definitely get both coverage. And in this knowledge base I have mentioned the same. So yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI assistant, or you can say AI chatbot, which we created for our photography business using Pabbly Chatflow. And if you also want to create this, watch this video till the end. So I have opened this window, and how can you open this window? So if you're an existing user like me, log in inside Pabbly Chatflow, go towards this left hand of the side towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, click on create AI assistant and open this window. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Chatflow in the description box below. Go on that URL, in the top right corner you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. And then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open this window. And after coming to this window, you just have to follow me and I'll tell you how to create this AI chatbot for your own photography business within few minutes. Alright, so let's select the instruction type. So over here we have multiple options to select the instruction type. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can select the instruction type as custom prompt and give your custom instructions. But if you want, we have some pre-built examples to help you, like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and so on. So I'm going to select one from this only, which is sales agent, and the instructions will be added automatically. So if you wish to add or delete some, you can definitely do it. If you wish, you can simply keep it as same and move on further. The next is this temperature. So you can set how creative AI answers are going to be. So if you keep the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you keep the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep it as 0.3 because I want slightly focused answers. We have to select the AI to use, so I'm going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, you have to open your OpenAI API key page. In the hypertext, you're going to see the link. So you just have to click on this link and click on this create secret key. You have to enter the key name, select the project, and click on this create secret key button, and your key will be created. You just have to copy this key, open the AI assistant once again, and paste this key over here in this API key section and click on this connect. Now you can see OpenAI key saved successfully. So let's move on further. The next is this AI assistant settings. So you can do some settings. You can add a header or a footer message. You just have to switch on this button and type the header or a footer message. And the next setting which we have is this stop keyword. So if you wish, you can definitely enter some stop keywords. What you can do is you can simply type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. It is really important that you press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. And whenever the user is going to type this keyword, the AI assistant is going to stop and the AI assistant is not going to reply them further. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. Next is this retry attempts. You can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. And the next is this fallback message. So let's say that the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So this message will be sent towards your user. So what you can do is you can add the email address of your business over here in this fallback message, so that whenever user has some emergency and the AI assistant API key is not responding, they can contact you on Gmail too. Now with this, we have completed this AI instructions. The next is this knowledge source. So as I told you that I have uploaded this knowledge source, alright. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you how you can do the same. So first of all, you have to write down the knowledge unique to your business in a Google Doc. Go on this file, download this in PDF or TXT format. I'll suggest you go for TXT format because TXT is preferred, because for PDFs we do not have any page limits for text PDFs, but if you go for PDFs that has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT. What you have to do is once you downloaded the file, you have to click on this choose a file and go towards the download section and upload your knowledge base. So easy, right? Also, I'll suggest you mention the FAQs over here in your knowledge base. It will help the AI to answer the questions more accurately. Alright, now let's move on further. You're going to see we have uploaded this knowledge base. The next is this AI interface. Alright, so over here you have to add your brand's heading. Alright, so you have to add an heading which is your brand's name. Alright, so let's add the brand name over here and I'm going to paste it and it will change over here too. Same goes for the subheading. If you wish, you can definitely add or delete something. It will change over here too. For the initial message, you have to type the initial message and press enter and it will be added. You can add up to 2 initial messages only. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to display this label, you can keep it as enable, otherwise you can disable it from here. The next is this footer text and footer link. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy. Footer text will turn as the link if you add the link. If does not, then the footer link will be shown as the text only. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So I'm going to keep it as hey, you can keep it as anything else too. It totally depends upon you. The next is this styling. You can style your WhatsApp AI chatbot. You can set the theme, you can change the text colors and much more. It totally depends upon you how you wish this chatbot to look. Alright, now with this we have completed this AI chatbot for a photography business. Now we are going to see how we can run this for our business. So you have to switch on this button from here. This will activate the AI assistant and now you have to click on this save AI assistant. Now we have successfully saved this. Now let's see how we can run this for our business. So you're going to get the option of embedded over here, and in this embedded you're going to get the script. So you can simply copy this script and you can paste this script on your website and automatically this AI assistant will be added on your website. And then further, whenever your lead or your customer or anyone is going to click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp and the initial message which you selected will be sent from them. And once they send this message, the AI chatbot is going to reply them. And let's say you have some contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account and you want to assign the AI assistant to those contacts. So what you can do is you can go towards this left end of the site towards this inbox section, open the contact you want to assign the AI assistant to. So let's say I want to assign the AI assistant to this contact. So I'm going to go towards this choose AI assistant and I am going to assign this AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this contact is going to message me, this AI assistant will only reply. And further, if you want to assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts at once, you can go towards this left end of the site towards this inbox settings. And after you come on this inbox settings, you have to scroll and enable this AI auto reply. Select the contact list and AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts and click on this save. And now whenever someone from this contact list is going to message, this AI assistant is going to reply. And if you wish to learn how to create a new contact list, go on this left end of the site towards this contact section. A video tutorial dedicated towards this contact section and each feature of Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. If you wish, you can definitely check it out. With this, we have successfully created this AI assistant. So let's test this once again. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and first I'm going to just clear the previous conversation and start fresh. Alright, so let's type hey and I'm going to send this hey. And once I send this hey, you're going to see the AI chatbot for my photography business is going to reply me, hi there, what's on your mind? So let's ask some FAQs. Alright, so I'm going to open my knowledge base and let's say I'm going to ask this question. Do you provide drone photography? And I'm going to send this question over here. And you're going to see yes, it is replying yes, we do provide drone photography services. So now let's ask another question, which is how many photos will I receive? Alright, so let's send this, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the AI chatbot is going to solve this query too. Yes, for weddings you can expect to receive 400 to 800 edited images. So you're going to see this is the exactly same answer which we have entered over here. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this AI chatbot for photography business. So yes, now go try this amazing AI chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the AI assistant, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.